Hey, welcome back. Well, we have another one of our favorite citizens here. He calls himself Muslim Cop Watch. I don't know if it's a cop watcher or I don't know. I think he hates the government. Probably hates the United States. I don't know. I guess you be the judge, but this is him right here. Um, let's see. Let's we're gonna consult with the Oracle real quick. Hey, Oracle, man, you think this guy hates the U.S.? No, wait, maybe. No, I don't know. Let's see. No? How about, does the guy think this guy has any real freaking intelligence? No, I figured that. So, we're going to get into this guy. The first clip, I guess he's butthurt because people keep making fun of him that he doesn't have a job. So, and he's going to tell you where he works. Yeah, this guy is a freaking dishwasher. He tries to make it sound really, industrial. Watch. You'll get a kick out of this guy.
Evening, folks. You know who this is? Muhammad, Muslim Cop Watch. So, I've had some serious trolls lately talking about how I don't have a job. Well, if I didn't have a job, would I be standing here inside of an industrial kitchen This is where I work. I wash dishes here. Dishes slide in here. Door comes down. They get washed. They come out here. And then they get put away.
Well, I guess I could see why this guy has to fraud it, man. He definitely needs the money.
Afternoon, folks. This is Muhammad, a Muslim Cop Watch. There's multiple police officers down here. Just down straight from where we live. So,
I don't know exactly where he lives, but to me, I gather it's North Little Rock, which is really not that great of a neighborhood anyways. As you can see by the real nice manicured lawns by the sidewalk here. So, all right, let's move on.
I'm down here to film what's going on. Of course, we are armed. Of course, Third Coast Auditors News Network is with me.
Now, let me speed up a little bit. He has a little bit more ways to walk and be nosy, so which is basically interfering because you're injecting yourself into somebody else's business.
Oh.
Get my good side, okay?
So what's going on?
You know,
Yep.
eat got everyone wild.
I'm recording the cops.
Hey, make sure you drink water.
Oh yeah. I've been drinking a shitload of water all day.
Make sure you hide it.
Oh boy, breaking news. A police car. I have no idea who this is.
1814. License plate 820
License plate. I just heard that from another channel, man. License plates. I don't get it either.
X-ray Lima Echo.
All right, let me move it up just a little bit. Man, these guys love license plates. I think they should have went to the police academy and became traffic enforcement. Man, they love license plates, don't they? I don't get it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. You too.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
You too.
Keep hydrated, guys.
All right, let's move on to another clip. This is going to be a short video because this guy really doesn't make that great of videos. I mean, I don't know, maybe he's still learning. I don't know. You could be the judge of all that, but he's still somebody you got to keep an eye on.
You filming?
Yep.
So if they say things to you and I just sit there,
Yeah, just follow my lead.
or they can't do anything for filming.
Now, from what I gather, Muhammad over here is training somebody, teaching them apprenticeship. I don't know.
Okay, they're one street up.
One street up.
One street up.
Where the fuck are they?
Right there.
Oh shit, okay. Alright, I'm gonna start filming here. Alright, hold on. You gotta get these fucking sodas.
Alright guys, it's Muhammad, Arkansas Cop Watch. Got with me a new guy who's just started his channel.
Yeah, he sounds like a chicken shit.
And that is Little Rock Cop Watch.
Out here on the scene, about to see what's going on up here. Looks like we have something that we're up here at, what street is this?
Hang on, I don't know here and just.
I didn't move up. I know his heavy breathing is pretty pathetic, so hold on a minute. Instead of cop watching, they need to go to the gym.
1809
Little Rock, Little Rock, please.
and Unit 12275.
Sounds to me like we have a little bit of confrontation here. We don't know exactly. But we're here to check it out. Unit
Yeah.
1809.
And Unit 12275, plate number 320 RFI.
Looks like, do we have any confrontation here?
So just.
I'm thinking the cop watchers are hoping that these people in this house, are gonna start throwing down so they really have something to film, but doesn't seem like it's happening. So the newbie cop watcher, I don't know, maybe he's getting a little depressed. You can't, his first couple flicks or clips, you can't get any action.
Yep.
Somebody been ramming over got nails in their car.
I feel bad for him.
I ran over some nails before.
It's no fun. That's why we're all the way over here on public easement. We record from a distance, objectively, with no preformed opinion, just to make sure that they don't violate her civil rights.
275.
No preformed opinion. Yeah, okay, sure. That's what they say, but then as soon as they edit the film and put it on YouTube, boy, it completely changes, you know.
Gotcha. Thank you for not violating her rights. Appreciate that. Hey, officer. Thank you for not violating her rights. Thank you so much, sir.
Well, as you can see, that's a real nice neighborhood. I might even post some of the statistics for that neighborhood. So it's kind of obvious to me the best job this guy can find is a cop watcher on YouTube and a dishwasher. I don't know. I don't get it either, folks.
This girl, my girl whooped that girl the other day on the Little Rock side, right?
Yeah.
So then
The guy really right there does nothing but I don't know, babble, swearing. So I'm gonna try to cut that out. So, well, like I said, this wasn't a really long one, but these little channels, we need to keep an eye on them because they're gonna be the next, the next clowns coming up the ladder when the top frauders go to jail or prison. These are gonna be their clones right here. So try and stick with some of the little guys too. Keep an eye on them. Other than that, have a good day.